almost look identical, but if you look a little closer, you'll see the difference. Now, this is the Ubenor that I'm picking up. And this here is the Zern. I mean, if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, you can now right here I want to show you something real quick. You can see the diameter of the Ubenor is a little wider than the diameter of the Zern. This is another reason I do like to use the Ubenor, because you have more of an opening and you don't have that water restriction. And again, I don't know if you've heard my other videos, sometimes inspectors may frown on you using the Zern because they want as much water flow as possible without the restriction.